Hello, welcome to my video. In this video, I'll help you pronounce some sounds s, z, sh, z, ch, and z. Now I will give you some examples of these sounds. With the sound s, we have science fiction, expensive, dancer, race, police. With the sound z, we have always, zoom, lazy, exercise, busy. With the sound sh, we have delicious, she, association, fresh, English. With the sound z, we have television, visual, usually, decision, collision. With the sound ch, we have future, watching, beach, teacher, chocolate. With the sound z, we have job, large, language, encourage, vegetable. Yeah, that's some examples. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.